Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and fuel efficient. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, rear view camera, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love 2015 Prius. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.